Hello everyone, today I came to our factory injection machine workshop to inspect the machine for our customer before shipping. So as you can see, this is our latest model teeth injection machine. There are many orders. You can see a lot of set machine. Okay, so here is the traditional one or other suppliers. This machine, our machine mainly have three advantages. Let me explain to you one by one. The first one is that we add the polishing function in this machine. Then we can, after injection, we can polishing the teeth very well. Okay, so as you can see, like this way, we touch this zipper teeth, we will feel very smooth and cannot hurt our skin. Okay, so that's the first advantage. The second one is that we add the detecting device to detect the teeth shortage. I mean that, sometimes the injection is not so well, that some teeth will not injection fully. So some teeth will lost like this. And then our detection device can detect these things. Then our worker can know where's the problem of this zipper. The last one is that this machine at the automatically fitting up holder on the top of this machine. So now this new machine can fit the material automatically. So no need a worker to put the material manually. So it can save you a lot of labor cost. Okay, in your time, and also can protect your workers very well. So if you want to buy this machine from us, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.